Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this crochet bun cover, and I use medium worsted yarn with an F hook, and it's great for children that are in dances and they can use this bun cover. Any type of yarn will work, but I think medium worsted yarn works best. Also, anybody that likes to have a bun and wants to have a bun cover, this is perfect for them too. I was asked if I could make this pattern for little girls that are in dances. I know right now everybody is staying at home, so this would definitely be something in the future for little girls that are in like ballet or tap or anything like that. This pattern is listed down below in my description, and so if you need that and if you have any questions, let me know. Okay, so let's get started. Slip knot onto your hook and chain 5 to get started. And then slip stitch to create a ring. And then chain 5 counts as your first stitch and chain 1. Then treble crochet, you're going to create in the center of the ring, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, chain 1, and repeat this 10 more times for a total of 12, including the chain 5. Slip stitch in the beginning of the chain 5. Slip stitch into that space, chain 4, treble crochet, chain 1. You're going to continue into the next space and work a treble, another treble. This is for the increase round, and then chain 1 and work 2 treble crochet again, and then a chain 1. Repeat this around until you get to the beginning. Slip stitch in the beginning of that chain 4. On the top of that chain 4, slip stitch into that space, chain 4, treble crochet into that same space, chain 2, skip, and then work in between those. You'll work 2 treble crochet, another treble crochet, and then a chain 2, treble crochet, skip, and then work in between, treble crochet twice, and a chain 2, and just repeat that around. And then you're just repeating that previous round, slip stitch on top of the chain 2. or the chain 4 there, and then slip stitch into that space, chain 4, treble crochet, chain 2, and in between the 2 treble you're going to work 2 treble crochet and then a chain 2 again, and just repeat that all the way around, and you can keep expanding on that for as big as you would like for the bun cover. Okay, at the end here you're going to finish with a slip stitch, and then you can work a single crochet all the way around, and that completes the pattern, and you can continue on to make it bigger for each round until it's big enough for your bun. And I think medium worsted yarn, probably 4-ply is best, and the pattern is listed down below. Okay, you can fasten off with a slip stitch and weave in your ends at the end. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please subscribe.